Hi, I'm Brandon Naidu. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in San Diego, California. Assault cases, for the most part, what we see routinely is that the prosecution overcharges these cases. Assault cases are almost always charged as major felonies. They can be charged even as strike cases as a serious or a violent felony. And so it's very, very important. First thing off the bat is that the prosecution has to be able to prove, but what we need to also understand is what was your intention? What was the intent behind whatever happened in this case? For most of these cases, this is a fight gone wrong. The most common example being something like a bar fight or domestic violence that got out of hand. But that takes us to the second most important piece of these types of cases, and that is the evidence. And a lot of times in these cases, what we see is that not only is the case overcharged, but our client usually was actually acting in self-defense. For example, we had a client who was at his apartment complex and two men were actually shooting at him and he was running away. Now the police were called. Obviously the neighbors heard the gunshots. The shooters fled the scene. Our client stayed on scene, talked to the police. They patted him down and found his utility pocket knife in his pocket. And they arrested him and charged him with assault and battery with a deadly weapon. Luckily for him, and luckily in most of these cases, these occur in some type of public setting where there's some form of video evidence. And luckily for him, there was surveillance video showing that he was in fact the victim in the case, as a lot of our clients are, because they're either the ones being assaulted and now their assaulters are turning it around and accusing them, or they were acting in self-defense. So it's very, very important with these assault cases that you're speaking with an attorney with a lot of experience in these types of cases who can communicate and effectuate your intent and also thoroughly examine the evidence to provide you with the best possible defense, mitigate the circumstance, and get you the best possible outcome. So please give us a call, 619-577-0868.